Hi, all, and welcome to Theorado TV. Welcome to Sector Watch. This is a brand new show where we break down the biggest trends in crypto and help you understand where the industry is headed. So, what is today's focus? Today's focus is DeFi or decentralized finance. If you've ever used a bank to store money, earn interest, or take a loan, you already understand the basics of finance. Now, imagine doing all of that but without a bank in the middle. That's DeFi in a nutshell. So instead of trusting a bank, you use smart contracts. Smart contracts are automated programs that handle everything transparently on the blockchain. DeFi lets anyone, anywhere, earn, borrow, lend, trade, and invest without the need of approval of a central authority. So this truly boosts the concept of crypto, which is decentralization. So right now, DeFi is making a comeback. The total value locked on DeFi is $96 billion across different DeFi projects and blockchains. That's more than 20% down from its peak of $117 billion, but a sign of renewed growth are emerging. During hype cycles, speculation runs wild, but now investors are focusing on fundamentals, protocols with real revenue, strong liquidity, and sustainability. So that's a little bit about DeFi metrics. Now let's come up to the key trends happening in DeFi right now. So DeFi में sectors काफी popular है. सबसे पहला sector है liquid staking derivative, which is basically earn by holding. ये basically एक staking करके concept है, उस पर work करता है. Staking is when you lock up your crypto to support a blockchain and you earn rewards in term of them. Liquid staking derivative or LSTs let you stake your tokens while still using them somewhere else to earn even more. It's like earning interest on a savings account while still being able to spend the money. The number one protocol in liquid stake protocol derivatives is Lido, which has around $20.3 billion locked. Almost $100 billion में से 20.315 Lido के पास ही है. EtherFi, a rising new player, has $5.44 billion locked. Now let's come to the second category, which is lending and borrowing. This is the blockchain bank. जो traditional bank है, अभी blockchain पे भी आ गया है. जैसे बैंक लोन्स देते हैं, डीफाई प्रोटोकॉल्स भी क्या करते हैं, यूजर्स को लेंड आउट करते हैं क्रिप्टो, तो आप आपका क्रिप्टो डिपॉजिट कर सकते हो और उसके अगेंस्ट से लोन ले सकते हो और आप उस पर इंटरेस्ट कमा सकते हो. लोन पे आपको इंटरेस्ट देना पड़ेगा, बट आप जो डिपॉजिट कर दो, आप वो भी कर सकते हो कि आप लोन नहीं ले सकते, आप बस डिपॉजिट करके भी रख सकते हो और आप इंटरेस्ट कमा सकते हो. आप लोन, वरना आपका दूसरा ऑप्शन, आप लोन लेके उसको कोई दूसरे प्रोजेक्ट में डालो और एक्स्ट्रा इनकम कमा सकते हो बाय ट्रेडिंग एंड एवरीथिंग एल्स. Aave is the number one DeFi lending protocol. It has around $18.28 billion locked. So almost Lido and Aave make up a major total value locked in the whole DeFi space. Third is restaking. It is like getting paid twice for the same crypto. Restaking lets users stake their asset on multiple platforms at the same time to earn extra rewards. So EigenLayer is the top restaking protocol with $9.5 billion locked, whereas Babylon, a new emerging player, has $4.7 billion locked in restaking. The next category is real world assets, which is bringing traditional real world assets to real estate हो गया, gold हो गया, कुछ भी हो गया, commodities हो गया, to DeFi. Real world assets let people tokenize real world things like real estate, bonds, stocks, or making them tradable on the blockchain. MakerDAO, which is the number one leader in this space, has handling $4.5 billion in real world assets. Next is DeFi derivatives, which is trading with leverage. Derivative let traders bet on price movements using leverage, just like in traditional finance, but without any middleman. तो फ्यूचर्स आपको ट्रेड करना, तो आप DeFi डेरिवेटिव, जो नंबर वन प्रोजेक्ट जो है वो है हाइपरलिक्विड. बेसिकली इस पर आप फ्यूचर्स एंड ऑप्शंस, अगर आपको क्रिप्टो में ट्रेड करना ऑन द ब्लॉकचेन, आपको बाइनेंस या कोई सेंट्रलाइज्ड एक्सचेंज यूज नहीं करना, तो आप DeFi डेरिवेटिव पे जाओगे. और उसमें हाइपरलिक्विड है सबसे फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग डेरिवेटिव्स प्लेटफॉर्म विद $948 billion in trading volume. Now let's look at the biggest DeFi updates this week. So number one is Uniswap Foundation approved a $165 million funding to support the launch of Uniswap V4 and unka khud ka blockchain Unichain. Ethereum's developer activated the Pectra upgrade on the Sepolia test network. Base, which is a Coinbase ka layer 2 blockchain, they introduced Flash blocks, which will make the network 10 times faster than it already is. Ondo Finance, a real-world asset project, partnered with MasterCard to bring tokenized real-world assets to MasterCard multi-token network. Coinbase is looking to release a tokenized version of its coin stock. Hyperliquid launches Hyper EVM, making DeFi trading even faster. Aave is expanding to Sonic L1, and Aave DAO proposed a buyback program for Aave. Jupiter Exchange has $2.73 million in daily revenue, surpassing major DeFi projects. So, abhi jate ek DeFi spotlight pe. What is special for today's DeFi show? So we have Sonic, which is the fastest layer 1 in the game. Now let's talk about Sonic. Sonic is one of the fastest growing blockchain networks in DeFi. Why is Sonic gaining attention? First, it's fast. Sonic can handle 370,000 transactions per second in theory and greater than 10,000 plus transactions in real world conditions. With 720 milliseconds finality, it makes it faster than Solana and Ethereum L2s. Total value lock growth is a very good aspect to look at. DeFi में मैंने बोला total value lock सबसे ज़्यादा important है और Sonic का total value lock proves it. Sonic, our DeFi ecosystem has exploded to almost 691 million total value locked in just 2 months, a 25 times growth since December. तो उसका adoption और उसका utility हमें दिखा है 25 times बढ़ा December से. Sonic was previously known as Phantom. वो अभी migrate किया उन लोग ने नया blockchain launch किया जो Sonic है. And Phantom के speed और transactions और everything comparison में Sonic is much better. They also have a 90% fee program where 90% of the fees that Sonic blockchain earns is given out to the top projects. And ये top projects जाके उनके users को distribute करते हैं ये fees. So इसमें it's an additional incentive for builders to come and build on Sonic because you're actually earning different fees, whatever Sonic is earning, and you're getting it back as a project. अभी project से बात करते हैं तो top DeFi projects देख लेते हैं. Sonic पे number 1 is Shadow Exchange. It has around 150 million total value of. The number keeps changing because of the volatility, but it is a leading decentralized exchange. They have a token known as X33, which gives you a lot of interest. They give you the base yield, and जो concept DeFi concepts is सारे Shadow Exchange पे रहते हैं. So you should definitely go and check out Shadow Exchange. उनका token $20 से almost $200 तक गया था. अभी वो $100, $200 के range पे trade कर रहा है. Next is Silo Finance, obviously lending and borrowing we've seen as a top category. So that is the number 1 project based in terms of total value locked. It has $226 million total dollars worth of total value locked. The data keeps changing, but it is a top lending and borrowing platform, and you can actually on Silo Finance earn interest for borrowing tokens as well. So आप loan भी ले रहे हो तो आपको interest मिल रहा है. That is what Silo Finance is doing different. Next protocol, you have $100 million plus total value locked. It helps users earn passive income with stable coins. तो वो एक stable coin platform है जिधर Sonic का जो airdrop होने वाला है, जिस पे हम आने वाले हैं, उस पे आपको अगर airdrop पे points कमाना है तो आप Rings protocol पे जाके stable coins, Ethereum ये सब wrap करके mint करके आप और उस पे interest भी कमा सकते हो और आप Rings protocol पे जाते हो ये सब के लिए. अभी what is next for Sonic? Sonic has a 200 billion Sonic token airdrop in June 2025. Currently Sonic is at 0.5 के आसपास, तो that is worth $100 billion. अगर Sonic का प्राइस बढ़ा तो airdrop का वैल्यू भी बढ़ते जाएगा. It is a massive incentive for new users. People और वो airdrop के लिए क्वालिफाई होने के लिए आपको Sonic की ब्लॉकचेन यूज करनी है, उसके एप्लीकेशन यूज करना है, उसके अंदर डीप टाइप करना और समझना है कि Sonic पे क्या क्या हो रहा है. Silo DAO has also just purchased $170,000 worth of Sonic tokens, so that shows a very good interest. कि Sonic के crypto projects भी खरीद रहे हैं. SwapX, बहुत सारे DeFi integrations भी आ रहे हैं जैसे SwapX, Spectra Finance and Steam. They are joining the DeFi network. Sonic speed, DeFi focus and growing adoption makes it one of the hottest layer ones to watch in 2025. Sonic is changing DeFi as we see. So coming to final thoughts. DeFi is evolving very fast. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, the sector is changing the way people interact with money with DeFi lending, staking, trading, moving platforms like Sonic, EigenLayer, Aave, new blockchains like Hyperliquid. They're shaping the future of finance. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching T.O TV. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to be updated with the latest news and developments happening in